Hello everyone, welcome to another video. For those who are new to this channel, my name's Fran and I make videos for the Sunnybank Trust every week. For those who don't know, the Sunnybank Trust is a charity for people with learning disabilities and autism. This week's theme is St. Patrick's Day. We're going to be making some cute little Shamrock people today. Let's get started. For this activity you will need some glue and some tape, a green crayon or a green pencil, a black crayon or a black pencil, a yellow crayon or a yellow pencil, a button and some scissors, some wiggly eyes and a green pipe cleaner. We've got 2 templates this week, so find the link in the caption below. If you don't currently have access to a printer, as always you can use your laptop screen to trace, using your laptop screen, some paper and a pencil. Here's how we do it. Turn your brightness up to 100% and place your paper on top. Gently trace with your pencil around the outline of the shapes. Now onto the second template, gently trace over the top with your pencil. Using your scissors, cut out your hat template around the outside. We're going to be doing something slightly different for the other template, so just wait for that one. Don't forget to recycle. Take out your Shamrock template. We're going to start folding it into 4 along the dotted lines. So we've folded it in half now. Now we're going to fold it in half again. We need to turn it around again now so that it's facing the heart-shaped side. We're going to cut around the top part of the heart, leaving the bottom part of the heart folded. It should now look a bit like this. Now we can open it up again and you should get a shamrock shape. On the white side of your shamrock shape, colour it in green. Next, we've got to colour in our leprechaun hat. So the main part of the hat is going to be green. The piece across the middle is going to be black. And the buckle is going to be yellow. For the next part, you'll need your glue. We're going to be sticking the hat onto the shamrock at an angle. You can now add on your wiggly eyes to each side at the top. You can now add on your button to the middle of the shamrock. This will be for your nose. Now you can draw on your mouth in black. Leave the glue to dry for a few minutes. Once the glue's dry, turn your shamrock over. We're going to take our green pipe cleaner and place it in the middle with some of it hanging off at the bottom. Add your tape to secure it, and now you can turn it over. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a shamrock today. Email us at info@sunnybanktrust.org to share your photos from today's craft.